Today, we're making fresh Vietnamese spring rolls, also known as salad rolls. These are so delicious, packed with flavor, and we'll be making an amazing peanut sauce to go with it. The aromatic flavors from the mint and Thai basil give this spring roll so much character, and then the shrimp, carrot, and cucumber give each bite a satisfying crunch. The peanut sauce just brings everything together, and will have you taking another bite after another. We'll start by peeling one jumbo carrot, then slicing up one cucumber into narrow strips, and then chop up the carrot as well. Then we'll pick about 1 cup of Thai basil, give it a good wash, and a 1/4 cup of mint. Give it a wash as well. For the rice noodles, we're using 1 pound of 3 Ladies brand Vietnamese rice vermicelli noodles. These are the thicker version. We'll follow the instructions and cook in a boiling pot of water for 5 to 6 minutes. Then transfer the noodles to a bowl of cold water. If you don't have ice like me, then you can just do a couple extra rinses of cold water. After the 5 minutes, we'll remove the noodles and repeat for the rest of the noodles. Be sure to let these cool or rinse in cold water, and then drain the water once all of our noodles are done. Now let's make the peanut sauce. We'll crush 4 garlic cloves into a pot with 1 teaspoon of canola oil. Let this brown for about 45 seconds on medium heat. Then add about 5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. A 1/2 cup of water. Give it a stir. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Turn the stove down to low heat and mix it all together. It'll slowly dissolve and then eventually thicken up. Once it's brought to a boil and you see it thickening, turn off the heat and continue to stir. We'll start to see a nice thick peanut sauce. There we go. We'll set this aside and allow it to cool. For the shrimp, we're using about 20 fully cooked medium shrimp that we'll cut in half. You can also use tofu. And then we'll prep 8 leaves of green leaf or butter leaf lettuce. Alrighty, for the rice paper, we're using 22 centimeter diameter rice paper sheets that will dip in a warm tap water for 5 seconds. This will rehydrate the rice paper and soften it up. After 5 seconds removed from the water, it won't be soft yet, but that's okay. We'll add some lettuce, carrots, cucumber, 2 mint leaves, 2 basil leaves, some vermicelli noodles, and some shrimp. By this time, the rice paper has softened up, so like a burrito, we can wrap it up nice and tight. My spring rolls don't look the prettiest, but they still taste delicious. I like my spring rolls rather large, but you can make them to whatever size you wish. And boom, we have fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. We can then repeat this process for the rest of our filling. These taste amazing, and they're best made fresh. The peanut sauce might be one of my all-time favorite parts of this dish. It just has a distinct flavor that complements the crunchy texture and chewy wrapper of the spring rolls. Be sure to eat this with the peanut sauce. I can also guarantee you'll love it. When I made this, it was hard to not have another bite after another bite without the peanut sauce. You've probably had these before, but making salad rolls at home is just so much better. The wrapper isn't dried up from being left on the store shelf for days, the mint and basil just add so much aromatic flavor, and the peanut sauce is just so much better than anything you're gonna get at the store. If this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.